National Weather Service NOAA has issued a special marine warning for higher waters from San Pedro to San Mateo Point. California, including Santa Catalina Island, until noon Pacific Standard Time. At 11:18 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, a line of showers and strong winds extended from Newport Beach to Catalina Island. This line was moving to the east at 15 knots. Wind gusts between 30 and 40 knots have already been observed around and behind this line. Hazard, water spouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, water spouts can create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher and suddenly higher waves. The shower will remain over mainly open waters.
That's first SMW I caught off of KFI.
Weather Service, this is the emergency alert system. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for San Francisco until 3:30 this afternoon. This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. This concludes the activation of the emergency alert system. KCBS News Time, 12:32.
KCBS, I did not know your self-originations were that freaking short. What the?
The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for San Francisco until 3:30 this afternoon. This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. This concludes the activation of the emergency alert system.
Holy shit, that includes the San Antonio River. Holy shit.
And Bradley.
And San Ardo. And King City and Gonzales and Soledad.
I think it's coming back to
Yeah, it's the
I've met some
Salinas
fantastic
River.
people,
Makes sense
and
for
I found that
Salinas is
volunteering
kind
for
of like
ITN was a great way to make
yeah,
a
it's
difference.
coming back. There's KRKC.
The following is an important message from the National Weather Service in San Francisco has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Monterey County in Central California until 4:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 1:11 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, local law enforcement reported flash flooding in the immediate areas around the Salinas River. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Source, law enforcement reported. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of Salinas River, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Soledad, Greenfield, King City, Gonzales, San Lucas, San Ardo, and Bradley. This includes the following streams and drainages: Miners Gulch, Sargent Canyon, San Jacinto Creek, Nacimiento River, Pine Creek, Vineyard Canyon, Big Sandy Creek, San Antonio River, Willis Creek, Mission Creek, Chalone Creek, Powell Canyon, Seco, Arroyo, Murray Creek, Monroe Creek, San Lorenzo Creek, Willow Creek, McCoy Creek, Jolan Creek, Haines Creek, Salinas River, Sand Creek, Vaqueros Creek, Stonewall Creek, McGowan Canyon, Topa Creek, and Pancho Rico Creek. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become a